Well, it happens again in Karnataka, where after Chief Minister Siddaramaiah now the traffic was halted for another ambulance and was made to wait, this time for Karnataka Home Minister's convoy to pass. So once again, the same incident being repeated. First time it was the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah for whom traffic was halted. And again, we are witnessing a similar kind of incident taking place in Karnataka. Let's go to Deepak for the latest update on this. So Deepak, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said that he was not informed that there was an ambulance that was stuck in the traffic. What sort of excuse does KG George have on this?
Well, this time, in fact, it's the Home Minister, G. Parmeshwara, who's in fact in the limelight. And once again, when it comes to convoys and traffic halting, I think Karnataka ministers somewhere want to lead the way in terms of setting a bad example. And here, once again, it was outside the KPCC office where the Karnataka in charge for Karnataka, the newly appointed Mr. K.C. Venugopal, he was there. After he moved out, it was the Home Minister who exited. His convoy exited. What was surprising is that the traffic police actually halted the traffic for about 5 minutes, even after the convoy passed. And at this time, the ambulance was stuck there. The siren was on. Nobody to allow the ambulance to pass. Now, clearly, it was a few days ago while the Chief Minister's convoy was passing and an ambulance was stuck. And at that point in time, the Chief Minister, after a couple of days after the Times Now report, even clearly mentioned he's instructed policemen, in case there are emergency vehicles, including an ambulance that is waiting in line, they will have to allow it to pass. And he last time claimed innocence and said he was not aware. Maybe this time when the Home Minister's convoy passed, even he will claim that he was not aware. But what about the policeman who was standing there? What about the instructions being given to the policeman? It's quite bizarre that these instances keep repeating itself in Karnataka.